is expanding and how that expansion rate is changing and how it's changed over time. So we have very precise measurements of that. So then we can use the theory to tell us what's in it, given that we know how it's responding to that stuff. And that's how we discovered dark energy. So we noticed that the universe's expansion rate is increasing. So the universe is accelerating in its expansion, which is exactly the opposite of what we thought. Now, this is in the 1990s that we discovered that. So we can work out what sort of stuff and how much of that stuff you need to put in the universe to make that happen. And that's where we get these numbers from. So we look at the stretch of light as it travels across the universe, and the universe is expanding. It stretches the light, so it changes the colour. And he noticed that there was a discrepancy, which said that that the expansion rate is speeding up. It's been speeding up for, I think it's something like 7 billion years or so. It's been speeding up. So he thought that he's done something wrong because so he checked it and checked it and checked it, and he couldn't find anything wrong. So he did what a good scientist does, which is he published it so that somebody else could find out what he'd done wrong. And he said that he thought it would be the end of his career. He thought he'd be a laughing stock, and he got the Nobel Prize because he was right. It is stretching.
Wow.
It's a great lesson. It means that if